Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing my everyday face, just using a few of my products that I love to use here. If you want to see how I achieve this face, all of the products that I use, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember, give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so we're gonna be doing a very, I would say, affordable face today. All right, so I'm gonna use my E.L.F. Power Grip Primer. This face is not gonna be too complicated. All right. I'm just stepping out of the house for a few hours. All right, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me 356 Warm Coconut. And this doesn't have a pump, right? I hate that. So we're just going to put a little bit on the face. I think I put too much. I'm going to blend it out with my Juvias Place foundation brush. It just says J1, that's the number. I also don't want this video to be too long. Okay. Okay guys, let's hurry up and blend. Okay y'all, so face is pretty much blended. I'm gonna make this face affordable. There might be just one thing that I use that's not too affordable, but it's not bad. All right, we're gonna use a Fenty Wear Even Skin Concealer. I think that's what it's called, but we've used this before, so it's nothing new. A little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. We're just gonna dry it down a little bit with our fan. Because we're not gonna put on any cream contour today. I'm gonna use my sponge to blend that out. And out the forehead. Okay. Put some of my eyelids. Alright, I like this foundation. I like this concealer. It blends very easily. We're just blending out the edges with the sponge, or I can use my brush All right, we're gonna go right ahead and use the setting powder, Black Radiance. I'm gonna use my puff. Take off the excess amount on the back of my hand. And some might look like I'm rushing. That's because I am. It's because I'm rushing. Plus, I know you guys don't always want to watch long videos. Alright, so. I'm just putting the powder underneath my brow. Set it. So yesterday, guys, I went to see the Universal Circus, right? It was so amazing. I've never seen them before, and I was so impressed. Oh my God, they had people on trampolines that were doing somersault. It was just really nice. So if you guys don't get a chance, or if you've never seen it, I would definitely, if it comes in your area, I would definitely recommend. Check it out. All right, we're just gonna put a little bit of powder underneath here, just for a few seconds while we do a little bit of look on the eyes. All right, I'm just gonna get this and dust out the powder from underneath the brow on the eyelids. All right, we're gonna get this palette here that I've had, Revolution Ultimate Nudes, and these are the colors. So I'm gonna take this brown one here, and I'm gonna use my brush. This is my brush from BH Cosmetics, very old. You can see that it's old, but I still like it. And I'm gonna put this over my lid, like so. This look is easy. Anybody could do this, right? All right, just go back and forth with the brush. Make sure for this one, the brush is not too fluffy, but you don't want it too stiff either. All right, like that. I'm just going into my crease right here. Just going around. All right. Do this side really quickly. So if you guys body to body, skin to skin, I'm never gonna love this again. Now that we've used that brush, I'm gonna use this Clean Sweep Makeup. It's a like a pad to clean your brush off. So I'm just gonna, you know, since I want to use this brush with another color just to blend out the edge of this one, it's gonna go in and just, you know, do that. It's supposed to remove it, so you know, keeps you from using too many brushes when you're doing your makeup. All right, I'm just gonna go into this color right here at the top and just, you know, sweep that over the edge really quickly. I tried to do easy looks over here, guys. This one's easy. even a baby could do this. Okay, not a baby, but maybe a 12-year-old. Alright. So just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You guys see that I'm almost done with my face already? Alright. Try to bring it down a little bit here so I can tie into my nose contour when I do one. Alright, I'm going to get a flat brush. And I'm going to take the same two colors that I just used and just put it into my waterline. Okay, I'm gonna get my Milani black liner and just, this ain't working, buddy. It is not working. Liner is on. Because this is what I have here, I'm gonna use Fenty powder. Set my face. I'm gonna use this Fruits Cosmetics one. I'm gonna use the middle color and bronze up the face with that. I'm gonna take this color and put it on my nose to contour. Just a little powder contour. You don't always have to use the cream contour. You know, when you don't have time, you just use a powder one. I'm gonna use CoverGirl True Blend. Excuse me. Okay. All right, I'm gonna use Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter. Okay. A little bit on the tip. And just blend it out with your finger. Okay guys, let me just set my face. I'm just going to use a Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray. A little bit of water got here. I'm gonna use Juvias Place Cola pencil. It's affordable, like $10 or $8 from Ulta. Alright, I'm gonna use Juvias Place, what is this called? En Vogue. I use the NYX lip gloss, NYX, NYX, NYX. I think this is butter gloss. I'm not sure the name of it because I've had it for a while. Alright, I'm gonna put on a little mascara. Who's this? Black Radiance. We're not gonna do any lashes today, guys. This is a natural everyday look, and every day we don't wear lashes. At least I don't. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is my everyday wear face. You know, light, no lashes. This is how I do it when I'm not going anywhere, you know, too special. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's fix the hair. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that it was easy enough for you to follow. Leave me some comments, let me know if you like it. And again, I thank you for watching. And just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope that it was easy for you to follow. Hope that you learned a little something today. Again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share with a friend. Subscribe to my channel. Also, turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.